Hi, this is Alexis from Akenza. In this video, I'm going to present you the rule engine from the Akenza platform. Rules allow you to apply business logic to incoming data in order to trigger actions or notifications. What we're going to do now is to create a rule that triggers an SMS notification when a specific condition is met. So I have here a device that measures different values such as temperature, humidity, light, and CO2, and we're going to use it to create our rule. My starting point is the device data overview, where I can see all the last measures that the sensors sent to the Akenza platform. As you can see, the last light measurement I received was 251 lux. So we're going to use that to create our rule. For that, I can go on the device details page, and here I can directly create a rule for this particular device. Rules are composed of 3 blocks. You have first the data input, then the logic block, and at the end the triggered actions. As you can see, my device is already selected as data input. I will now add a logic block. Here I have access to a comparison block, a geofence block, or other custom logic blocks that I created previously. We're going to go ahead and click on comparison. Let's connect the data input. And now I need to select the data that I want to monitor. So let's find the light measurement. And what I want to do now is to be notified when the light goes off. For that, I need to test the light measurement against a specific threshold. So my condition is going to be if light is smaller than a specific threshold, send me an SMS. And for our threshold, we're going to say smaller than 50 lux. Now let's specify our output action. Here I have access to several different data sinks, so I can, for example, forward some specific data to other cloud analytics tools, or I can send a downlink to another sensor, but what I want to do in this case is send an SMS to my smartphone. So I scroll down and select SMS. I'm going to create a new SMS connector, give it a name, specify my phone number. Now if I enable always send SMS, I will receive an SMS each time this condition is true. But what I want here is to receive an SMS only when the data goes below that particular threshold, so I'm going to leave it disabled. And now I just need to specify the text of the message. And I can also include the last measurement of the sensor directly in the SMS. So let's give it a try. I select data light, and I can save my connector. Now I just need to connect my action and save my rule. Let's give it a name and create the rule. And that's it. Now I will put the device in its box to simulate the end of the day. And I should receive an SMS when the light goes below the specific threshold. And there you have it. As expected, I received an SMS telling me that the light is off and showing me the last data point that the Akenza platform received from the device. And that's how easy it is to create a rule with the Akenza platform. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.